To customize Phantom Wallet, import wallet. Start by understanding the basics of Phantom Wallet and its features. Phantom Wallet is a digital wallet that allows users to store, send, and receive Solana blockchain assets. Importing a wallet is a process of restoring an existing wallet using its recovery phrase or private key. First, download and install the Phantom Wallet browser extension from the official website. Once installed, click on the Phantom Wallet icon in the browser toolbar and select Import Wallet. You will be prompted to choose the import method, either using a recovery phrase or private key. If you choose to import using a recovery phrase, enter the 12 or 24 word phrase in the correct order, separated by spaces. Make sure to keep your recovery phrase safe and secure, as it can be used to access your wallet. If you choose to import using a private key, enter the private key in the input field. Private keys are sensitive information and should be handled with care. It is recommended to use a hardware wallet or a secure software wallet to store your private keys. After entering the recovery phrase or private key, create a new password for your wallet. This password will be used to encrypt your wallet and protect it from unauthorized access. Choose a strong and unique password that you have not used before. Next, configure your wallet settings, such as the wallet name and notification preferences. You can also customize the appearance of your wallet by changing the theme and layout. To add new accounts or tokens to your wallet, navigate to the Accounts tab and click on the Add Account button. Select the token you want to add and enter the token address. You can also add custom tokens by entering the token contract address in decimals. Finally, review your wallet settings and ensure that everything is set up correctly. Make sure to back up your wallet data and store it in a secure location. Regularly update your wallet software to ensure you have the latest security patches and features. By following these steps, you can successfully customize your Phantom Wallet, import wallet, and start using it to manage your Solana blockchain assets. Remember to always keep your recovery phrase and private keys safe and secure, and use strong passwords to protect your wallet from unauthorized access.